Alright, so I decided to try charcoal. It's working very well. It's nice I don't have to keep feeding it. So that's the output voltage from the Texan series. And the fans are, wired series from, or they're parallel, the fans are, but and then they're wired directly to the Texan series. So the output from the USB right there is going to this USB watt meter. And I got my battery pack here. So now if I plug this in, you'll see the charge indicator turn on. Once I get this plugged in, you'll see here, I'm gonna get all this in one take here. So the voltage is down there of the Texan series. The output of the meter is right there. So we got a drop in voltage down here. Not too bad though. And then the charging wattage is 2.6, 2.7 almost. And just to show that it's actually charging. So we're actually getting some decent power out of this now. Not like a lot, but the most I've seen so far. So staying at a pretty good voltage yet while charging and running the fans to cool itself. And these are the still yet the cheap Amazon cells. Modules, whatever you want to call them. Voltage is still kind of going down slowly. Probably because that fan speed is lowered and the hot side might be getting, or I mean the cold side might be starting to warm up a little bit. Still consistent wattage output though. You can tell when I turned the light on this thing, it pulled a little bit more power from it. A bunch of cool features on this thing. Oh, we went up 1 bar. Cool. And it has a auto tilted feature on it, which is neat. But yeah, it's working pretty good, especially on charcoal. All right, see you later.